Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question where we have given f of x, and then they are asking you to find out whether it is odd function or even function. To judge whether the given function is odd or even, we have to talk to f of minus x. F of minus x means you have to replace x with minus x. So, log root over x square plus 1 minus x. Now, if you will observe now, it is completely different from the argument of the question. So if you don't mind, for time being, can I do rationalization of the argument? So root over x square plus 1 plus x upon root over x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, so we will find out that we got log of a plus b, a minus b. This means we got x square plus 1 minus x square upon root under x square plus 1 plus x. After simplification, this thing will be eliminated and you will be left with log of root over x square plus 1 plus x to the power minus 1. You know that if anything is in the power of argument, that power will come at coefficient. So can I write minus log root over x square plus 1 plus x, and this thing is what? This thing is nothing but f of x. So can I write f of x? So we got f of minus x is equal to minus of f of x. So this means what? This means given function is odd function. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.